Well, hi everybody and welcome to Apple Cottage. My name is Sandy and I am Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming. Now this is my intro application for SHEDWARS21. I watched videos all last summer from Shedwars and I really liked the idea of how fun it was and how much vegetables they produce throughout the year, giving tips and tricks and ideas and things that worked for them and things that didn't work for them, and kind of jabbing back and forth with other gardeners. Now here in Wyoming, it's cold, snowy some days, but I did plant garlic today. I decided I wanted another bed of garlic, and so I dug down in there and I picked a bed that wasn't too frozen because I want lots and lots of garlic. Now, I have been a gardener for about 40 years. I have been a master gardener for, I think, about 14 years. And this year and next year, I am actually the state master gardener president for the state of Wyoming. So I would like to be on someone's team. We are going to Arizona for the winter, which I am going to garden down there, which I've never done. Usually wintertime is reading, sewing, knitting, crocheting. So it's going to be a whole different winter for me, but it's going to get me revved up for next spring and SHEDWARS21. Now I could tell you a lot of facts and figures and things that I've done through the years, but I thought I would show you. When we bought our house 15 years ago, there was nothing. There was no grass, there was no trees. Everything you see was just weeds. Now we've turned it into this oasis that we just enjoy so much. And we have all these little different spaces that we can sit and relax, and we just love it. We've always had greenhouses on our property. This is the fourth one that I've had, and we always add fun things around it. But the tomatoes just grow crazy in the greenhouse, and I've really liked that. And I can experiment on different projects. Like this are some carrots that I was experimenting on. And we have bees. It gets very hot in the summertime, so we always give them shade. I love tomatoes. It's my favorite thing to grow in all kinds of varieties. We grow pumpkins and squashes, and in fact we have so many pumpkins we give them away, and we make pies, and it's just fabulous. Now I love garlic, really love garlic. And I found that this summer I could hang them on my clothesline and it dried perfectly. I just loved it. We grow lots of cabbages for sauerkrauts and coleslaws, lots of different kinds of peppers, hot ones, mild ones. We love them. I do grow my own soup beans because I love the different colors that I cannot get in the store. We grow celery, and potatoes is a staple, and my goal is to always have potatoes last all the way. We have onions, different varieties, and I grow lots of rhubarb, but I always grow it from seed. I never buy the plants. We love all vegetables. It's just the way it is. And I really love growing leeks. Now when I get bored or I just have some time on my hands, I like to paint my vegetables. It's very satisfying to me to finish a painting of a vegetable. I also like to sew wall hangings with my vegetables. And I like to make concrete rhubarb leaves. Every year we have projects. So one year we made a pizza oven. And we have just enjoyed it. We do compost bins because you can never have too many compost bins. And when somebody tells me I can't overwinter artichokes because I live in zone 4B, I have to prove them wrong. We like to dehydrate a lot of our vegetables. So this is Swiss chard that we dehydrated. We make juices, we make pickles, we make sauces. We make pies from the different fruits that we have, and I like to dry my hot peppers. Now we have choke cherries and blackberries and blueberries and gooseberries and strawberries. A lot of different kinds of strawberries. We have several kinds of grapes, and then we have my favorite, raspberries, both summer and fall bearing raspberries. I like to graft my apple trees, and a lot of times I'll cover them with my beeswax and the leaves just come on through. We have pears and cherries and peaches and plums. I love to grow flowers inside and outside. Amaryllis, saffron are some of my favorite inside ones. We love our bees and we love our poppies. And I like to put flowers in bicycles, and I like to put plants in unusual, weird things. It makes it fun. We also do some hydroponics, and it extends our season, and I like that. And we always have areas in our yard for birds and wildlife and frogs and toads and salamanders. Well, that's me and gardening in a nutshell. I'd like to be part of SHEDWARS21, and I guess if one of the teams would like to draft me, I will do my best and produce a lot of food for SHEDWARS21. Thanks so much.